Hi, this is David Saddlemeyer from Century 21 Liberty, and I'm going to show you this marvelous remodel located at 96 Conley Drive in Shannon, North Carolina. For more information on this or any home for sale in town, visit my website, www.davidhomesforsale.com. It's the number 4. Or you can subscribe to the YouTube channel you're currently watching. You can change your video options to 1080p to see everything in high definition today. This property comes with some land, and there is a storage building there with a front porch, vinyl siding, gutters, one-car garage, front porch here. And we'll step inside, decorative front door. You're gonna love what you see here. Big open floor plan. A security system is installed. Blinds and fans throughout the house. All brand new flooring and paint. This is the living room and kitchen. Gorgeous laminate floors. Here's the dining area right here. Stainless steel appliances, kitchen island. There's a breakfast bar. Granite countertops, tile mosaic backsplash, crown molding on the cabinets, track lighting. Very impressive kitchen. This kitchen island really comes in handy. Let's take a closer look. This is really all put together very well with these selections. And here's the view from the kitchen back towards the front door. And a pantry. This is the backyard with a deck. And lots of room to enjoy the outdoors. Some good privacy here with the woods. It's quiet country living. Here's the deck again. Gutters on the back of the house as well. There's the door to the garage. And here's the first bedroom. And this is the master with a closet there. Very spacious master. And look at this master bath. Wow. Tile floor and a tile backsplash with some very custom work there. Let's take a closer look. This is really impressive. Look at this with this mosaic band. All the detail around the mirrors. More mosaic bands. Of course, you got 2 sinks in the vanity. You got a seat in the shower, that's really convenient, and some more tile work above the shower. This is really pretty. There's the toilet. And crown molding. And this is the third bedroom. And here's the laundry slash mudroom. Lots of space here. And another full bath. There's the vanity. And shower. And it matches the master bath. Thanks for watching the tour. Give me a call, 910-723-8888 to see this or any property for sale in town. And check back soon for more videos on my channel. Hope you enjoy the tour.